Hey guys, today I'm going to show you where the starter fuse and starter relay are located on this 2011 Dodge Journey. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button and leave a comment down below for the algorithm? Really helps me out a lot. The first thing we need to do is pop our hood. So right here is our under the hood fuse box. So you're going to lift on these two tabs on the side. On the back here is a diagram that tells you what everything is here. It's going to tell you that your starter fuse is this 30 amp J case or box fuse right here. So it's a 30 amp fuse. And the starter relay is right next to it right here. So you've got your starter relay and your 30 amp starter fuse right here. I will have fuses linked down in the description below where you can get those online if you'd like to. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for watching and have a good one.